Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to take website screenshot. So guys, first thing is just simply open up a Chrome into your laptop or desktop. And from here, I'm currently using Google Chrome, and just simply go for chromewebstore.google.com. And now on this homepage of Chrome Web Store, just simply search over here, search extension Go Full Page. And now you will have this extension over here. So guys, this is a very helpful extension if you want to capture a website, and click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and it will be automatically added into your extension tab on the top right corner over here. So now from here guys, I have a Shopee, which is an online shopping website. So let's say I want to screenshot this. I will go for the extensions over here and click on the extension that we just added, and it will automatically be captured. And from here guys, you should be able to download it on the top right corner. And from here, click on allow. And when you go to the folder over here and click on the picture, as you can see, it has been a screenshot the website, and that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.